babe. I just don't understand. What's the problem? I just don't understand why we gotta go through the same shit every day. Damn, like this some bullshit.
You be on that bullshit. You on that 718, can't get a
the licking. He really wanna fuck me cause he know that really different. That pussy but I purr like a little kitten. He begging, asking me to let him stick the tipping.
It don't matter if you tag them or not, cause they both got me blocked. But bitches steady saying my name, like steady talking about bitch. Girl, shut up. Damn. I'm out here living my best life. You miserable over there thinking about me. I like Cardi said, bitch, I live. What she said, I got condos in this bitch head, clearly. Clearly. Clearly, I got condos in this bitch head. They say it's the go-go in the background for me.
Purr, that's that energy.
Shit, yeah, him too. What's up, babe? How you got me blocked? That's my thing. How you got me blocked and still talking about me? I'm supposed to be blocked. When you block somebody, they're supposed to be forgotten name. Cause I don't think about nobody in my block list. Bitch, I don't even know who I got blocked.
I blocked this so long.
I don't know who I got, bitch, what? Baby, find you some business. Continue your little $600 bookings. You know. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Alright, so everybody make sure y'all go click the link in my bio for my OnlyFans, my Pelo Fuerte. You can make your orders today. I have stock in stock again, so come on with it. Let's do it.